I finally got a notification to complete my Pi Network KYC. I was actually at the gym when this happened, so I decided to come to the studio and record this so you guys can see how I'm doing my KYC or how it's done. So let's go. There's the Pi Network app and there's the Pi browser. So to complete KYC, I'm going to click on the Pi browser, right? If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it. Then I'll click on kyc.pi. Now I've got my passport in case they require an ID. So yeah, this is awesome. Country, region. So this is Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian. ID type. So you have driver's license, premium name slip, national ID. I'm using my passport. So there are a lot of options for Nigeria passport. I consent to allow Pi Network to collect and process certain personal information, including sensitive personal information for KYC. Okay, I agree. I am over 18. I consent to Pi Network transferring my personal data to the US or Canada, where its servers and its service providers are based. Okay, agree. Then let's go. Photo ID. Take a photo of your passport. Type in your information. Identity confirmation. Okay. Payment of Pi. 1 Pi is required to apply for KYC. Okay, that's fine. So it is also showing how it should be done. I am ready. Now you can retake if it is not clear enough. So I want to retake this. Yeah, this is actually very clear now. Please enter your data in the same language. Please give your name. So date of birth. Country of residence, Nigeria. Then address, zip code. If you don't know your zip code, you can always go to Google and type your city zip code. It will show you the zip code. Okay, great. So now is time for camera. It's called a liveness test. Start recording. So you see, uploading data, don't leave the app. So when you're doing this, make sure you stay online. You have good network until it's completed. So next. So it says we are processing your data and these can last a while. Please wait or come back later to review and submit. All right. Okay, this is great. It kind of blurs out a lot of things. Put on my ID, my picture. This is submit and pay. So you can edit or you just submit. Now I want to, yes, my data is accurate. Congratulations, your application has been submitted. Thank you for submitting your KYC application. You'll be notified about the status of your application very soon. If your application is approved, you can apply to become a KYC validator in the future. So see status. So my application is being processed. So once it's done, I can now move my Pi to my main net wallet. Now I'm also going to apply to become a validator. Yeah, once my application is accepted, so that I can help, to make it faster, so that more people will get verified. That is it, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. So I waited for about an hour and I want to check how far I've gone. So I'm going to click on kyc.pi to see if I've been verified. Okay, it says, welcome back. You can track your KYC application status, right? You went through this special KYC process that allows you to submit your KYC application and get your ID documentation verified, become a validator. I want to apply to become a validator so I can help others as well get validated. So steps: KYC validation training, validators quiz, validation and reward. Get started. So I'm going to go through this and I think I should end the video here. See you guys in the next video.